Hi everyone, welcome to my video. If you have been following my previous video, you know that I am doing a course on previous syllabus in this video. Semester 2 PG syllabus. So modeling and simulations. So you see this M Physics 5. So in this video I will discuss paper computer physics paper 5 computer related. You see this. So unit ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जिसे उप्स भी बोलते हैं OOP उप्स भी बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. सो फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड paradigm with reference with C++ and object and class, encapsulations and data, abstraction, delegations, inheritance, polymorphosis, function and operator overloading, dynamics, bindings, message communication, elementary idea about Fortran, Java, Python's basic feature only. So basic feature only is in this video discussed. Next unit 2 chapter 2 programming with Python. So programming development variables expressions and statement functions, condition and recursion, iterations, string, list, dictionary, tuples, files, types of error and dubbing, function libraries, nums, scify, matplotlibs, use of Scalibs and R for scientific programming. So this is the feature of the computer. This is physics paper 5 PG. So this paper will be computer related course ODE and PDE. ODE, RK method, leapfrog method, applications to electron motion in electric and magnetic field, non-linear equation. PDE, elliptical equation, Poisson equations, hyperbolic equation, wave functions equation, parabolic equation, diffusion equation for a Lagrangian fluid. उसके बाद यूनिट 4 देख लेते. यूनिट 4 इज हियर मैट्रिक्स प्रॉब्लम्स, Jacobi method for a matrix inversion, techniques for solving eigen problems. So next you see unit 5 Monte Carlo method and simulations, random number generator, Monte Carlo integrations, Netropolis algorithm, Ising models, molecular dynamics. So this is the features of. So you can see this. Any problems do you face? I hope. Next you see this course outcomes. This is course outcome. Reference of, this is the reference. You see this reference. PG semester 6 electrodynamics and plasma physics, credit 5. So first unit is here electromagnetic wave equation and field vector, Maxwell equation in a free space, plane wave in a free space, dispersions of electromagnetic wave, Poynting vector in a free space, polarizations of electromagnetic wave, electric field vector in the terms of a scalar, of the scalar and vector potential, wave equation in the term of solar and vector potential. Unit 2 is here electromagnetic wave and its interaction with matter on microscopic scales, electromagnetic waves EMF in a free space, propagation in EMW in isotropic and antitropic, dielectric in a conducting media, boundary condition, reflection and refraction of electromagnetic wave, Fresnel formulae, Bristol law and degree of polarization, total internal reflection and critical angle reflection from metallic surface, propagation of EMW between conducting planes, waveguide TE and TM mode, transmission lines, rectangular and cylindrical waveguide cavity resonators. Unit 3, you see, field of moving charge and radiating system, retarded potential, Leonard-West chart, potential field of a point charge in a uniform rectilinear motion, in arbitrary motion, radiation from and accelerated charge particle at low and high velocity, radiating systems, oscillating electric dipoles, radiation from an oscillating dipole from a small current element from a linear antenna array, relativity electrodynamics. So transformation equation for current density and charge density, vector potential and scalar potentials, the electric field tensor transformation equation for electric and magnetic field covariance of Maxwell equation in a four tensor from covariance of Maxwell and transformational law of Lorentz-Falls. Again, next you see plasma physics, elementary concept of plasma, derivation of moment equation from Boltzmann's equations, plasma oscillation, device sliding, plasma confinement, magnetic plasma, fundamental equation, hydromagnetic waves, magnetic sonic waves, Alfvén waves, wave propagations parallel and perpendicular to magnetic fields. Course outcome, a student will have understanding of time varying. You read this time varying various concept of the electromagnetic waves. You see this reference book, and come to the next. So M Physics 7 electronics. First semiconductor device, BJT, bipolar junction transistor, JFET, MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, enhancements and depletions type UGT, SCR, tunnel diode, Zener diode, structure, working and characteristics. Unit 2, amplifier and feedback, BJT, design of a C transistor amplifier, a small singular model emitter follower, negative feedback and its property, effect of feedback on a different parameters, types of feedback oscillators, principal Barakhushan criteria, alpha A beta is equals to 1. So stability, this is Barakhushan criteria, frequency, stability, phase shift oscillator, Wien bridge oscillator. Unit 3 is here, operational amplifier, operational block diagram, ideal and practicals, OPMP, characteristics, OPMP circuit, inverting, non-inverting amplifier, adder, subtractor, differentiator, integrator, current to voltage converter, first order active filters. In the unit 4, digital electronics, number of system code, binary arithmetics, logic gate and or NAND, NOR, NOT, XOR, Boolean algebra theorem, De Morgan theorems, min term and max terms representation, simplification using Boolean algebra theorem, K maps, half and full adder, Philip and flop, RS and JK, elementary idea of register, counter, comparator. Unit 5, microprocessor and microcontroller, microcomputer block diagram, system buses 8085, microprocessor, architecture and operation, assembly language instruction, classification only, 8051 microcontroller architecture, port or an elementary idea of interfacing. Course outcomes, student will have understanding of fundamental designing concept. You read this and also you read this. This is references book. You read this. M physics staticals mechanics. Staticals mechanics unit. First, statistical mechanics of the thermodynamics. Postulate of classical statistical mechanics, microscopic and microstate, phase space, ensemble canonicals and ground canonicals, staticals, equilibriums, genericity, distribution of phase point, liability theorems. And unit 2, ideal classical gas, partition functions of a classical ideal gas, thermodynamics potentials in term of partition function for ideal monoatomic gas and in microcanonicals and ground canonicals ensemble, entropy of mixing and Gibbs products, Maxwell-Boltzmann's distribution law, entropy of monoatomic gas. Unit 3, quantum statistics and application, density matrix, quantum ensemble, ideal Bose case, Bose condensation, liquid helium, superfluidity and Landau theory. Unit 4, quantum statistics and application, ideal Fermi gas, specific heats and Pauli paramagnetism, principle of detailed balance, Landau diamagnetism, white dwarf and Chandrasekhar limits. Ising models, Singh models and random walk and Brownian motions. Unit 5, non-equilibrium process, feature of equilibrium and non-equilibrium thermodynamics, linear theory of non-equilibrium thermodynamics, current and affinity, Onsager relations, fluctuations, microsystems. So at the end of this course, a student will be available to basic knowledge of thermodynamic systems. You see this references, you read this references. So M Physics 9 Lab 2, PG semester 1 Lab 1 and PG semester 2 Lab 2 here. You see this, this is the, you see this is, and next course outcome, you read this. At the end of this course, a student will be available to, this is available, this is. So I hope this video help for concept clear of PG semester 2 syllabus of Munger University, TMU, Patna University, all over India, all India University. So thank you very much.